from the MSME perspective, what really is the problem?
You know, Trevor, thank you for this conversation because it's very helpful for SMEs. Micro, small, medium enterprises, they are on the receiving end. Because if you hear about what you're saying about the bread, we are talking about the cooking oil, who are the people who are doing that? If you go to uko mashinani, utapata even some mamas, they do what you call mafuta ATMs. You know these cooking oil ATMs, whereby you can even be able to buy oil of 20 shillings or 15 shillings, depending on your budget. So you can imagine the complexity of what is happening. Now, there are two issues here, Trevor. One, the complexity of our taxation system. It is too complex. Sometimes you don't even know what you are supposed to pay for. Because in this tax system, unakuta there's what we call the VAT, the excise, the income tax, the rental, income, capital gains, agency revenue, turnover tax. So if you are trading as a micro, small, medium enterprise, what you guys have said about the ATM, so you are supposed to register. So once you register, sometimes you find these overlapping taxes. You are supposed to pay them, but you don't even know because of the complexity of the taxations which are already there. Number two, with that complexity, you find that now they have now added the transactional costs of the trading. So like what Raymond was saying. So micro, small, medium enterprises, they heavily rely on the infrastructure of M-Pesa plus any other platforms of payment. What does that mean? If you add the 16% VAT plus the 20% proposed, now from 15 to 5 plus 5 is 20, that is 36% you have added taxation on a transaction. What will happen is people are going to go to what we call pillow banking. If, for example, I'm selling electronics from Kirinyaga Road and I'm sending them to Embu, so it has, this transactional cost, what it has done to me, it makes me pay the boda person, it makes me pay the transportation, and also the person who is my client pays me back. So it has eased me from now kutuma pesa na basha the way you are used to. So we are going back to the conventional way, whereby unaweka pesa kwa basha as a parcel, and you are sending it to Embu. So if we add this, what we are doing, Trevor and Rashid, we are killing micro, small, medium enterprises. And micro, small, medium enterprises, they account to 98% of all the businesses in this country. That means the backbone of the economy you are talking about and Kimani are representing in parliament lies on the micro, small, medium enterprises. You put them on their knees, then the collapse of the economy.